The best way I can explain SmartSpace is that it is the platform that connects business systems to the physical world. And by that I mean that things like ERP, MRP, MES are predominantly planning systems. What they lack is a view into exactly what's happening now on the shop floor, which means that they have an inability to react to issues and changes. So what we're doing here at Ubisense is to take the SmartSpace platform and give ERP, MRP, MES, planning and control systems eyes and ears on the shop floor, the ability to see and analyze and manipulate space. And that is a critical attribute for managing and optimizing moving processes like assembly processes. So that's depicted here quite nicely, where at the bottom level we're looking at physical reality. This is a human view of the shop floor. We need to give the business systems that same view of the shop floor. And it starts with the first layer, which is a digital representation of physical reality. And that means pulling in sensor data from a ton of different sensor sources, location sensors, things like barcode scanners and RFID, and creating a view of exactly where all your critical assets are and how they're interacting in real time. At the next level up, what we're really interested in is not the position and location of things, but we're interested in physical events. So this spatial layer takes that data and translates that into, this product has entered this workspace, this tool and this person have come together at the tool store. So the spatial layer takes that raw data and turns that into physical events. The next layer up takes that and applies the logic that turns that into business events. In this layer, we're modeling expectation and what good process flow looks like, and flagging exceptions to that. And the reason to do that is to communicate to this next layer up either the existing systems that are in the plant, like MES, like ERP, like warehouse management, to give those applications the eyes and ears that they need to see exactly what's happening on the shop floor. And the reason to do that is to help people do their jobs better, to help people better able to plan, better able to execute, and better able to react to unexpected changes. And so that is exactly what SmartSpace does. It just gives you the eyes and ears on the ground to give you the ability to see and analyze and manipulate space.